What if artificial intelligence could manage your money better than you ever could? Money with Wings in this video, I'm revealing 7 powerful AI tools that are changing the way we budget, save, and invest forever. Ready to make your money work smarter? Let's dive in. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence isn't just transforming industries, it's revolutionizing the way we manage money. From budgeting smarter to investing wisely, AI-powered tools are putting financial control back in your hands. In this video, we'll explore 7 game-changing AI tools that can help you save more, spend better, and grow your wealth effortlessly. Hashtag. Let's dive into the future of finance. Mint AI, your personal finance assistant. It tracks your spending habits, categorizes your expenses, and gives you smart insights to optimize your budget. Wealthfront, an advanced robo-advisor that takes care of investments, retirement planning, and even tax strategies, all powered by AI. PocketGuard helps you stay within budget by showing how much you really have left to spend after covering bills, savings, and essentials. Albert AI, think of it as your financial coach. It offers personalized saving plans, tracks goals, and improves your overall money habits with real-time advice. NerdWallet A makes complex decisions easy by comparing credit cards, loans, and banking options tailored just for you. Clarity Money cleans up your finances by tracking subscriptions, canceling unused services, and giving insights to cut wasteful spending. PayPal Honey AI automatically finds discounts, cashback offers, and promo codes while you shop online, helping you save without lifting a finger. These tools aren't just smart, they're empowering. Use them to automate your finances, make better decisions, and reach your financial goals faster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to discover more AI tools that make life easier, one algorithm at a time.